Hello, Toxic Sniper coming at you here with a how-to on how to make nunchucks. And these are really durable. I can swing them, hit anything as hard as I want, and they will not break apart. Now, first what you're going to want to do is you're going to need some green wood. So what I did is I went in my backyard and I cut some green wood off of a tree, about that thick. I didn't make these very even because I just made them for a quick video here. And you're going to want to, once you have the sizes you want and have both pieces, you're going to want to skin them down. There's going to be 3 layers. First layer is going to be bark, then there's going to be kind of a green slimy layer, and then after that there's going to be kind of a dark brown layer, which you can see on there a little bit still right there. And then what you're going to want to do after you have all that skinned and whittled, then palm sander. You can sand it down. I use the palm sander so it would be faster, but you can just use regular sandpaper. And if you run into a notch right here when you're sanding it or doing anything or trying to whittle, what you're going to want to do is take your knife and go try and get under it and push the blade under it and then kind of pull it up, and then it'll be like a circle, and then you just like whittle over it. And here I was using a skill saw for this part, so wasn't that good for the notch, so you can kind of see it there. And then once you have both of those done, a part I haven't done yet is you're going to want to make your handles and whittle them to the kind of comfortability for yourself. And then when you're done all that, you go to the top here. You're going to need a drill or a cutout tool, some kind of thing that's going to kind of drill into there, and then you make a hole there and a hole there, and then you're going to need some really durable string. This stuff can hold up to like 50 pounds, and then you just tie it through there into a double knot and do the same thing on this side, and then you have your nunchucks. Now I'm going to be making a bow and arrow and a staff too, and well, usually I'm making glitch videos, but I like to do a lot of other stuff with my spare time. So, and yeah, if you want anything special made or any special pranks or glitches done for any game, just leave it in the comments. Like and subscribe. Thanks.